Alright, what's going on, everybody? Like always, clipping the car. I'm about 7 minutes away from dropping the car off to get flex fuel kit, an expansion tank, and tune. I just drove about 4.5 hours from Austin to the opposite side of Dallas. So hopefully the car makes some good numbers, man. Like I said, it's just gonna be flex fuel, E50, and that's pretty much it. So go ahead and guess what y'all think the car's gonna make down in the comments right now, and we'll see what the car ends up making. Alright, y'all. Just about pulling up. Dope.
The rotors are just very, very loud, but then sometimes there's actually mechanical issues.
Good morning. Good morning.
Alright, what's going on, everybody? I just picked the car up. I'm just leaving ARS right now. Good news and bad news, alright? So I had always felt like there was a problem with this car, and everyone told me I was tripping. And the dealership told me I was tripping. My homies told me I was tripping. They didn't tell me I was tripping, dog. So I did the expansion tank for the fender, and he was filling it up, and he said it was just taking water and water and water. And then he fucking looked down and there was a puddle. So basically my heat exchanger has a leak somewhere. So I gotta get that fixed. We just went ahead and pulled the fuse for the pump so it wouldn't keep trying to pump and burn the pump. Yeah, man, that shit sucks. Gotta get a new heat exchanger. But as y'all can see, it's gloomy behind me. Let me turn this shit around. Disgusting rain, I hate it. But yeah, we on the way home. I got 4 hours and 26 minutes. 278 miles before I get home. My camera's in my camera bag, so I gotta piss bad, bro. I'm finna stop here at the next Buc-ee's I see. What's going on, everybody? It's currently the next day. I got the HP Tuners MPVI. I don't know if it's yeah, you can see it. I'm doing all the stuff I need to do right now. I also got a kill switch tune, so after I get all this shit situated, I did all my account and all that shit already for HP Tuners, but after that, he said he'll be able to send me over the kill switch tune. So if I ever have to, I can leave this bitch out at night and not have to worry about it, because there is some nights I don't get to put it in the garage, and I'd be like, a cat walks by in front of the house, and I'm like, motherfucker, who's out there? Alright, so I think we got everything good now. Come over here, you can see my shit in there. Yeah, I think we're good. Just gotta wait for them to email me back now. A lot of people weren't understanding what I meant by expansion tank, so let me just go ahead and show y'all. Alright, so y'all already know that DSX flex fuel kit. Let me show y'all what we're really here to see, and that's this right in there. I don't know if you can see. It's a fender tank that runs along the side right here, and that helps, you know, just for extra cooling and shit for the blower. But we did find out that my heat exchanger is leaking from over here. So his thought is that it's running down the top of it and falling off the side. So, but in order to check that, we gotta pull the front bumper and all that. So this is gonna have to go to a local shop, which they already recommended me one. So with that being said, we got flex fuel, we got the expansion tank, and yeah, next will probably be headers and exhaust. I talked to them about pulling down, but I probably won't pull it down until a little bit later, because, you know, some things that you do add power, but you lose power, if that makes sense. Like, you can make a lot of boost, but then you lose fuel. You got to really pay attention to what you're going to do. So, I don't know. I'm going to just really think about it. Like I said, headers is most likely going to be what's next. Definitely got to get that heat exchanger fixed or replaced. Sucks. But y'all saw the last meet. I also got to go and get tires now. Look at this. You can see they're already a little bald, but this one right here, I'll put it up, the picture right here. You see it's already showing wire and shit, so got to get that bad boy replaced. My boy Nate is supposed to run an RS3 coming up soon, so that'll be a good little video. And then I think they're having a small little Cash Days dig night coming up as well too. So y'all stay tuned. More content coming out, more Zl1 content coming up. But yeah, catch you on the next one. Peace.